Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Today we will make beautiful Bittergourd Steamed Egg. This dish looks like a flower and perfect to serve during festive eggs. It is healthy and low carb and not oily at all. It's super easy, but the outcome is amazing. Appetizing to dip eat with stock. Let's start now. Ingredients are Bittergourd, eggs, coriander, chopped garlic, and spring onions. Cut Bittergourd into half, spread seeds off with spoon. Crack eggs into bowl, separate egg yolk and egg white. Seasoning and beat eggs until frothy. Put Bittergourd into steam plate. Pour egg white to both Bittergourd and high heat steam for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, pour in egg yolk. High heat steam for 2 minutes. Bittergourd looks good. Remove from steam plate and let it cool down. So beautiful. Once cooled, slice Bittergourd. Look at that nice to layer egg. Looks so good. Place Bittergourd nicely on plate. Prepare sauce for dipping. Pour in hot boiling oil into sauce. Wow, smell so good! Bittergourd steamed eggs is done. This is too pretty to eat. It tastes perfectly to dip with sauce, flavorful and appetizing. Share this recipe with your family, they will love it too. Amaze them with this beautiful steamed egg. Leave me comments at below video if you like it. Make this to surprise your guests or during festive gathering dinner. Tips for this recipe is to pick round-shaped Bittergourd. Also, to ensure the lengthy is fit with your steam plate. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss it, yeah. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video, yeah. Bye bye.